So far we saw how to restrict our data by using top as well as by using where condition. There is one more way to restrict our data by using offset fetch. So while using order by, we have an option to restrict our data by using offset and fetch. So we have the data, around 178 records are there, and if you are using offset fetch, you have an option to skip first 10 records or 5 records or 100 records and retrieve another 10 records or 20 records or another 100 records. So you will specify skip how many records? Offset 10 records, 10 rows, then fetch another 15 rows, next 15 rows only. So this will retrieve, it will skip first 10 records and retrieve another 15 rows. So let's execute this statement and see. We could see we retrieved 15 records after skipping first 10 records, and if you don't want to skip any records, you could specify 0 rows. Offset 0 means skip 0 rows, retrieve 15 rows. So this will retrieve all the first 15 rows, and if you want to start from first or just skip first 1 row and retrieve 15 rows, you could use offset 1 rows, fetch another 15 rows. And if you want to retrieve only 5 rows, just specify fetch next 5 rows only. So by using offset fetch, we could retrieve a portion of the data. Make sure that you are using order by clause. So this will retrieve only while using order by clause, and this will be very useful if you are designing a web page or something just like Amazon, where we need to retrieve the data page by page. So in first page we want to show some sorted records, 10 product information. In another page we want to show another 10 product information. We could use offset fetch clause. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.